Welcome. Today, let's explore how to use the standard passcode option in Gmail's confidential mode using your phone. If you want extra security when sending sensitive emails, this feature is perfect, making it easy to add an extra layer of privacy with just a few taps. First, open the Gmail app on your phone. If you haven't already, make sure you're signed into your Gmail account. Next, look at the bottom right corner and tap the Compose button. This is where you start creating your new message. Once the Compose screen opens, notice the three dots in the top right corner. Tap these dots to access more options, then select Confidential Mode from the list. You'll see a new screen where you can customize your email's privacy settings. Under the section labeled Require Passcode, choose Standard. What does this mean? If your recipient also uses Gmail, they can open your message instantly. If they use another email provider, Google will send them a special passcode by email so they can access your confidential message securely. After selecting Standard, tap Save or Done, depending on your device. You're now back on your draft email with confidential mode enabled. Fill in the recipient's email address, add a subject, and type out your message as usual. When you're ready to send, just tap Send. That's it. Your confidential email is on its way, protected by the standard passcode option. Recipients will notice that they can't forward, copy, print, or download your message or any attachments. This restriction helps keep your sensitive information as private as possible. To recap, in just a few quick steps, you've enabled confidential mode with a standard passcode. Open the Gmail app, compose a new message, select confidential mode from the menu, choose the standard passcode option, then write and send your email. Use this feature whenever you need extra privacy for your emails, whether you're sharing business info, personal documents, or anything best kept secure. Stay safe and keep your communication protected with Gmail confidential mode.